This channel called Geoglobetales has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and almost 2 million followers on TikTok. And every single video gets millions of views. According to this website, he makes over $2,000 per video. So I thought, is there a way to create these viral 3D map animation videos without any experience and for completely free? I gave myself 24 hours to find out. I wanted to recreate these viral shorts from scratch, using just my phone and free tools. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I made them and how much money they actually made me. And if you watch until the end, you will have the full process to start creating your own viral videos right away. To recreate these viral map videos, I first needed a strong idea. And the best way to find that? Study what already works. So I went back to TikTok, searched for Geoglobetales again, and looked at their most viral uploads. I copied down a few of the top performing titles so I could analyze the topics and patterns. These titles are short, but also reflect what will happen in the video instantly. With the titles, we also have topics we know can go viral. With those, I went to ChatGPT and gave it this prompt. Give me 5 topics similar to these viral video titles that I found on TikTok, analyze them, and give me similar video ideas for viral videos. Within seconds, it gave me a perfect list. One of them immediately stood out to me. It was about Italy and Austria. I'm actually from that region, so I felt like I could tell the story authentically. I followed up with a second prompt. Can you write me an engaging and viral TikTok script about the first video idea? Make it around 1 minute long and optimized for fast-paced videos. Within seconds, I had a finished script, perfect to transform into a voiceover without me having to script for hours. This is the easiest way to build ideas that are already proven to work. And now that I've got the full script ready, the next step is turning it into a voiceover that sounds clean and ready to go viral. For this, I'm using a tool called Fish Audio. If you've ever tried AI voice generators before, you know most of them sound robotic and fake. That's why I didn't just pick one of the default template voices. Instead, I created a custom voice that sounds deep, calm, and slightly dramatic. Perfect for the map storytelling style that performs well on TikTok. Here's exactly what I did. I took the script I had and went into Fish Audio. Instead of choosing a standard voice, I created a new one from scratch, designed to sound professional and human. You can either upload a short clip of your own voice to make it personal to your brand, or you can use a sample from a viral video you like, or just describe the tone and style you want. Fish Audio then generates a voice that sounds incredibly close to what you asked for, and it only takes a few seconds. Once my custom voice was ready, I pasted in my script and clicked Generate. Less than a minute later, I had a voiceover that sounded like it came straight out of a viral TikTok video. It's honestly kind of wild how real it sounds. That's what separates a video with 10 views from a video with 1 million. Unlike basic AI voices, a custom-generated one feels authentic, and most viewers won't even realize it's AI. And that's exactly what you want. Because when it sounds like a real storyteller, people trust it, engage with it, and share it. It's time for the final part, creating the viral map visuals and putting everything together into one powerful video. Before jumping into that, if you want to start your journey as an AI influencer, you can book a one-to-one call with me and learn how to make money as an AI influencer. It's free, so if you want, learn how to make actual money as an AI avatar, click the link in the description to book a call. All right, let's move on with the main topic. Now that we've got our viral idea, our script, and a perfect voiceover ready, it's finally time to create the actual map animation video. This is the part where everything comes together, and honestly, it's going to take a bit longer because we're building the entire visual here, not just putting in a prompt. But trust me, once you've done it once, you can create these videos in just a few minutes. Before we jump straight into editing, we first need a world map that shows the place we're talking about. Since our video is about Italy and Austria, we need a clean map of Europe. Just search on Google for something like Europe map, and you'll find plenty of options. Then we also need an outline of Italy and Austria. Again, just search Italy outline PNG, red, no background, and do the same for Austria, but in blue. You'll find perfect overlays to use. Now let's switch over to our phone because for this part, we're going to use an app called Alight Motion. It's only available on mobile, and it allows you to create these smooth animated videos in just a few minutes without any complicated software. So open Alight Motion and start a new project. First, import your Europe map as the background, and then add your Italy outline on top of it. Adjust it so it fits perfectly over Italy. Once it's in place, duplicate the outline so you have 2 layers. Next, click on the Copied Italy outline, click on Effects, go to Drawing and Edges, and choose the Contour Lines effect. This will create the animated borders that you see in the viral videos. Set the color however you like, in this case white. Reduce the outset and width so the border hugs the shape tightly. Also, set the fill to 0% so it only shows the outline without filling the country. Then hide the original outline layer by clicking on the little eye icon next to it. Now you'll see Italy outlined with a clean white border but without any solid color inside. With that step, one of our map animation is done. Here's where it gets cool. Next, add a freehand drawing layer to the project. Select the pen tool from the menu at the bottom, choose white, and increase the pen thickness so it's clearly visible. Now carefully trace along the border of Italy with your pen. This creates a custom drawing layer that follows Italy's shape exactly. After you finish drawing, add the drawing progress effect to this layer. This effect will make it look like the border is being drawn in real time during your video, which instantly grabs attention. You can adjust how fast or slow it's drawn by moving the keyframes on the timeline. With this, we created the drawing border with just a few clicks. Next, move this drawing layer underneath the duplicated outline layer and connect them by selecting both. This connection is important to make the border stay above the actual map. Then, make the original outline visible again. To make it even smoother, go to the opacity settings of the original outline and use keyframes to make it fade in slowly as the border is being drawn. This way, while the white border is being drawn, the red fill starts to appear underneath it. You can also add a color filter here if you want to adjust the tone of the red and make it pop more on screen. With that, while the border is being created at the same time, the color of the map comes in and creates an effect that will catch the viewer instantly. Now let's add some text. Tap on text, choose your font, size, and color, and write whatever you want to show on screen. You can add fade-in effects or gradients to make it look clean and professional. You can do a lot with it. Play around with the colors, effects, gradients, and animations. With that, we finished the full animation of the first country. But let's make it perfect. Once you're happy with the text, it's time to add camera movement. Tap on Add, go to Objects, and select Camera. Tap on the camera icon on the right to activate. You'll now see the TikTok-style preview with the camera perspective tool. Tap on the camera icon to set keyframes. Start with a zoomed-out view and set a keyframe, then add another keyframe and zoom in slowly. This creates a cinematic zoom-in effect at the start of your video that instantly grabs viewers' attention. You can also adjust the angle and rotation to add a subtle spin as it zooms in, making it look even more dynamic. Now, to transition from Italy to Austria, we're going to do the exact same process. Import the Austria outline, adjust its color to blue, and add it over Austria on the map. Duplicate the outline, add the contour effect, remove the fill, and draw the white border manually with the pen tool. Don't forget to add the drawing progress effect again so the border is drawn live in the video. Then, place the drawing layer underneath the duplicated outline and connect them just like you did with Italy. This was maybe a little too fast, but we did the same thing as for Italy. Finally, use your camera tool again to create the transition. From the Italy position, add a keyframe, then move slightly upwards to Austria and add another keyframe. As the camera moves up, Austria will fade in, and the video will feel like a seamless journey from Italy to Austria. And that's it. It's just a few clicks to create an animation of a country using this tool, and you can play around with this however you want. If you want the color of Italy to be flag, just look for Italy country outline flag and use that as your overlay. Or like in the viral videos, you can put in other icons or emojis by clicking the plus icon on the app. Everything you add makes the video more engaging and will help with your views. This might sound like a lot at first, but once you do it once or twice, it becomes a super fast process that you can use to create multiple viral videos every single day. Now, to finish everything, I'll show you how to put everything together with sound and upload it in a way that triggers TikTok's algorithm to push it to millions of views. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Import your map animation video into the timeline. Then, add your voiceover on top of it. Make sure the voiceover matches what's happening in the animation so it all flows naturally. Next, I downloaded some stock videos that fit to the script like Italy and Austria landscapes, so I could make a switch between animation and stock video. This will come in perfectly if you describe the cities or Italy in general, so the viewers don't even have to imagine the views, they just see it. Add these clips after your map animation part to keep the video interesting and not just show the map the whole time. Finally, add some background music to make the video feel complete. Choose a song that fits the mood of your video, but make sure it's not too loud so people can still hear your voice clearly. Adjust the volume so it feels balanced. That's it. Your video should now have your map animation, your voiceover explaining everything, some nice stock clips to keep it engaging, music in the background, and captions to make it perfect. So after finishing the full video, the map animation, the voiceover, and the edit, I uploaded it to both TikTok and YouTube Shorts. On YouTube, I don't have a monetized channel in this niche yet, so I just wanted to test. How many views can an already active channel get with this kind of content? On TikTok, though, the account is already monetized, which means I can see exactly how much money I made from one single video. I uploaded the same video to both platforms, first on YouTube by putting in a title and uploading it as a short, then on TikTok by doing the same thing. Now I just waited for a few minutes here and noticed something. Here's how it performed after just 30 minutes. Let's start with the YouTube Shorts. They got over 500 views in just 30 minutes, which is the best performing video on my account in a while. TikTok got a few hundred views but did not make any money from the views yet. Not bad for a 2-minute video I made for free on my phone. These numbers don't sound like a lot, but these accounts were inactive for months, so uploading the first video after a while never gets a ton of views. But just from looking at the analytics after a few minutes, I know that these videos have the potential to get millions of views. I know that my normal TikTok videos make around $50 per video, but by creating better videos and uploading consistently, I know these videos could make thousands of dollars per video. Also, with YouTube Shorts like these, you can get monetized in just a few videos. Many people think this niche is hard to get into, and that's exactly what we want and why this niche has such a high potential. You can be one of the first to try it out and create videos for completely free. If you got to this part, just test it out by creating your first video, and for even more viral niches, watch the next video on this.